Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to do a quick Michael's haul. I went in and found some really fun summer paper and stamps, and I wanted to share with you what I found. Everything was 50% off, plus I had the additional 25% off coupon that they mailed to me, so that was perfect. All right, so let's jump right on in. I picked up the pool-riffic themed paper that is out now in the stores. This is the ephemera pack, and these actually they're stickers, and this is what they look like. Look how big they are. They're really big, but they're super cute. Look at these ones right here. Look how shiny they are, the little pool floaties, the unicorns. You got some flip-flops, super sweet, some ice cream cones. And you get several in here. And then you got the watermelon. Isn't that so cute, you guys? And you got your little cup, your little martini. So cute. And then you got cherries. And of course you gotta have your sunglasses. So really fun pack. So I picked that up. And I also picked up this, which I thought was so extra cute. The bikini and the dye set to go with it. You get two different bikinis, and then it says water you up to, and then good times and tan lines. I just thought that was extra cute, so I wanted to pick that up. Adorable. And they did have several different stamp and die cuts to go with this whole pool-riffic theme, but this is the only one that I decided to pick up. I may get one more. I did pick up this sticker set, and I just loved the stickers on this one. They're really cute. Love the little flip-flops with the bling. And then I did pick up this one, and they're shakers, so it has gold sequins on the inside. And again, super cute. I love the ice cream and the watermelon. And I apologize for that glare, you guys. It's horrible, but super cute. And then I also picked up these, which were from the Cheeky Modern Pop, and I just picked this up because it kind of goes with the whole summer theme, and I wanted to get that. I've been seeing it, and then it was on sale, so I went ahead and picked it up. And then here is the paper, the pool-riffic paper, and I'll go ahead and do a quick flip through for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I'll put it down and zoom in just a little. There we go. There's 24 sheets, and there's foil. You got popsicles, limes with the foil. You got this really cute one with the little floaties, and there's gold accents on it. And then you got cut aparts, and then the flamingos, really pretty. And of course you gotta have rainbows with the unicorns. And then look at this one. This is like gold with the all different types of ice cream cones and popsicles. Super pretty. And then this cute page right here. I just love this print with the little bikinis in different colors. Extra cute. And then you've got some cut aparts right here. Sunny State of Mind. So cute, you guys. Float on, stay cool. Hello, summer. And then you've got all of the little sayings on that page right there. And then you got the watermelon with the gold little seeds with the gold accents. So really pretty paper pad. And again, it's called pool-riffic. And then I also picked up this one to go along with it. And it is the basically the solid colors, and they're embossed. So I'll do a quick flip through. As you can see, look how pretty that is. And you get several sheets. I love the bold colors. And then look at the sunglasses. Look how cute those are. And then you've got your martini or your margarita glasses. If you can see that, it's kind of hard to tell with the lighting. And then this one is the popsicle and ice cream themed embossing page. So cute. So it goes perfectly with the collection. So I'm really happy with the pool-riffic collection. And then the other thing I did pick up was this collection right here. And this is called Summer Fiesta. And again, I just thought this was so adorable. I love the colors, and there's purple in it. So you guys, you know I had to get this. So I picked this one up, and I'll do a quick flip through for you so you can see what it looks like. There's the inside of that page. Holy guacamole, shake your maracas. And you got this page. I love this page, you guys. And it does have some of the gold foil on it. So it's really, really pretty. We got this one with the little birds, the toucans. And there's some gold accents on it. And then that one says hola. And these will go perfect with those dies that I bought from Spellbinders from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And you've got avocados and pineapples and mangoes, all of my favorite foods. And there we got that. It says Fiesta. And then I love the drink page. I love a good margarita. And then this page right here with the birds. And then I love, love, love this page right here. I think this page is so pretty with the gold foil and the purple. And then we got this one right here that says a bunch of words, Fiesta, Hola. So super cute paper pad. And then I went ahead and picked up some of the embellishments to go along with it. These are the stickers that come with that collection, and I'm not going to take these ones out, but that's what's inside, and you get several of each one of those. Really, really pretty with the, you know, the gold foil. So looking forward to playing with this particular pad. And then I had to get the gorgeous flowers that go with it. Aren't these beautiful? Let me just zoom in. They're just gorgeous. So, so pretty. And it was a really great price, you guys. So 50% off plus an additional 25% off. You can't go wrong. Look at those gorgeous flowers. They even have like gold accents around the flower petals. They're just really, really pretty. So that is my little Michaels haul for you today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.